Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to be looking for PC parts locally and building ourselves a PC, looking at local parts and comparing it to our PC we built on Part Picker with minimal, not to look nice, but to have functionality. This one ended up being $941. This one ended up being $1,028. But this one comes with a nice case, but then everything else looks ugly. This one's also ugly. So yeah, we're going to try to build a PC that could outperform both of these, and hopefully for a lesser price, because you can legit buy nowadays a 1080 Ti for like $100 more than this, which is very nice. So yeah, we're gonna be going on Craigslist and OfferUp looking for parts. So yeah, thank you for joining me. All right, so we're gonna basically set the budget at $1,000 because the other PC ended up being $941. This one ended up being $1,028. So we have a budget of $1,000 that we're gonna have to try to look around and build a PC for ourselves. And it can't be a already assembled PC, just buy parts. So let's start off with the, I guess, case. So let's go on Officer PC case. Very nice. Okay. And if you guys see any parts that maybe you want to buy, you can see this link and maybe you can go and buy it. Okay, let's go search. So we just want a cheap case. It's also very like clean looking, doesn't have any bumps or scratches. Let's go price low to high. Where's this relevancy? Low. Is that low to high? No, that's the other way. Oops. Alright, wow, 3,500. Okay, it's loading, boom, boom. Oh, what is all of this? Hold up, where's the setting? Search title only, and images. Has images. Okay, so Craigslist. Bruh, there's like 2 things on Craigslist. I don't know what in the world this is. Looks like it was used and abused. Wow, haven't seen these since like the 2010s. Wowza. You could buy a better one now for cheaper. I mean, this one's not bad. A Fantex case. These are still worth a good amount. Okay, not bad, not bad. Okay, let's see PC cases on OfferUp. Low to high. $7. $7, bruh. That's what we call very nice quality. Okay, maybe I might miss something, but that's not. Ooh, no way. Oh, I used to have a case like this, my first PC, right here. I thought it was the same one, but that one has like crack in it. Okay, how much was our system builder case cost? NZXT case is $70. Okay, how much was this one? Blah blah blah. Where's it? $52. So $52 hairs. That's what we have to spend. $52 hairs. Try to keep it under. This was not that bad. $40. Okay, and it's white. This one's got that. Way out of our budget, and there's nothing on Craigslist, so let's see. Does it have USB 3.0, good cooling, it has an exhaust. Okay, let's see if there's any more. Nope. But look at that right there. Oof. Oof. Quality. Yes. Okay, I think we'll go with this one right here. Looks pretty dope. Maybe there's one we missed. Nope. This one ain't too bad. Okay, so we'll add this to the thing. And it looks like it has no fans. Okay, so we have a case. White PC case. Okay, white PC case. The link. And the price, how much was it? $40. Nice. Give me $40 every case. And I just saw fans. 320 mil fans. Not bad. Not bad, not bad at all. Might be overpriced, but we'll just keep this here for now, just in case we need it. Okay, we have that link. Okay, so we have the case. How much was this? $20? $35. Oof. Yeah, we'll just keep this here for now. Maybe we might get a good deal on something else after. Actually, with the fans in the case, maybe we can find a case that already has fans with it. And it's cheaper than both of those combined. So that's like, what, $70? Let's see what we can do. You probably can't see me, or you can't see me. I'm staring right into my screen. Like, yeah. Okay, so we're getting to PCs. I saw one. I think you could just get that one case. This case right here. It comes with a fan, and you can later just install new fan. Actually, whatever. Yeah, and this case looks nice. It looks like it's compatible for the future. So let's get these, throw them away, and put the link for that one here. This one's $70. Is that a Fantex PC tower case? Nice. With fans, okay. So we have the case. Step one's done. Okay, now let's find ourselves a CPU. See what pops up in both. Oof. Let's see if we could get a 2700X. Ryzen 2700X. $345. Nope. That's way overpriced. Maybe get a i7 4790K. i7 4790K. $125. Not bad, not bad. Oh, I mean, he has it phased down. Like for this CPU is pretty old, but I mean, let's see the pins. I mean, this one has no pins, right? Oh, it looks kind of, I don't know what that is. Oh, it's just a gunk from the, whatchamacallit. 4790K for 125. That's not bad. Let's just get this one. Let's say this one works. Okay, $125. And this is not even that bad. You can overclock it to like 4.5 gigahertz. This one comes without a, what's it called? But it's only a 4-core processor. Never mind. We need a 6-core CPU. 6-core CPU. Huh. Okay, so I'm gonna be looking for this. I'll skip to it when I find it. Alright, so we found a Ryzen 2700X. For $255, I think we can get it down to like $230 or something like that. But this is this is like a 2-year-old CPU. And it has good overclocking, and it's 8 cores. Not a bad price. And it comes with a CPU fan. Not bad at all. So this should be this is already better than the better than the NZXT. I mean, it costs more, yeah, but it's already better than that. And I think it'll fit our budget. Hopefully it fits our budget. So we have this $255. So now we have to find a GPU. Okay. Well, not GPU. Let's look for a motherboard. What is this? AM4, right? AM4 motherboard. $30 right here. Boom. Bam. MSI AM4 motherboard. Oh, it stopped working. Never mind. Sold. Let's see if they have this here. AM4 motherboard. AM4 motherboard.
It's recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to
Nobody has it.
sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate
AND.
the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound impossible to obtain
Pretty
in a
sure
mono
this one
recording.
would work, right? Ryzen AMD B350. It should work, right? Right? Okay, let's see. Let's see what chipset. I'm pretty sure it's AM4 chipset, so it should work. Chipset. Blah 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 blah. Okay, let's look up this motherboard. $70. Wowza. Yeah, it should fit. Okay, so we have we found a motherboard. AMD blah 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 motherboard, $70. $70. The link for that. Okay, boom, bam, firepower. Okay. Okay, we have the motherboard, CPU, and now we need the GPU. It's getting expensive quick. Okay, now let's look for a GPU. I think we'll get a good 1080 Ti maybe. Let's see. Wow, okay. Wasn't expecting that. As long as we could get a better one than the NZXT one, which is a 1660 Ti, right? Yeah. 1660 Ti. Okay. These went up. I mean, they were up for a while. I actually used to own one, but I sold it and bought a 980 Ti for my own PC. I'd say a 1070 Ti would be better than the 1066. Right? Ooh, okay. How much is this GPU? $300. Okay, so for a used 1070 Ti, right here, with 8 gigs, get it for $300. Not bad, not bad. Okay. 1070 Ti. $300. I think you can talk them down to like $250. I think we're gonna go with that one. Oh, $250. Okay, this looks like a scam. I don't know. If it's real, this would be good, but I have no clue. He doesn't have any real pictures, so we're gonna go ahead and go with this one. I was thinking you could buy one better. Let's go with NVIDIA for now. Okay, so we have an NVIDIA MSI GTX 1070 Ti. Already a better graphics card. This build is gonna look so wonky and ugly, but you get your money's worth. Some are say. Let's say we talk him down to like 280 or something, you know. And I'm pretty sure we can talk down this guy to like 230, this guy to like 60, and then this dude to like 50. Okay. let's see what the total is so far. Calculator. So we have 230 plus 60 plus 280 plus 50. $620, and that you get a better CPU so far and a better graphics card if you source locally, which is not bad at all. So now we just need a power supply, a RAM, software, and a hard drive, right? I've probably said something twice. Okay, so we have CPU. Let's look for PSU, power supply. If we could look for like a 60 watt gold or something higher, that'd be dope. PC power supply. What in the world is going on? 1375. Oh, okay, look right here. Look. Boom. EJ power supply. Boom, we're gonna use this one. I'm pretty sure it's fully modular too. If it's not, then who cares? It works for now. Boom. How much was that? We could probably talk it down to like 60 bucks. Easy money, easy money. Okay. Let's just all make this one font because it's pissing me off. That's one ugly font right there. Okay, 12. Let's just make it average. Bam, bam. Okay. Actually, there we go. Okay. So let's add 60 to this. Boom. So now we need RAM. DDR4 RAM. Boom. Oh, never mind. Look at that. Boy. Right, this is perfect. Let's see. RAM. Showing a bunch of trucks. DDR. Show me a bunch of trucks. Yeah. Bunch of trucks. Alright, let's just go with this one. Should last. Should be good. Good enough. That 3000 MHC. 1200. Not bad. Bam. Oof, I need to get the link for this. We could probably talk them down to like 50 bucks. Oof. Alright. So we have the RAM, now we just need hard drives. I would say actually for hard drives just buy brand new. So let's add we had 50 already, so it's at 680. And if we buy already, because you don't want to have other people's stuff on here, but let's see how much a hard drive actually is. SSD. Okay, I was just gonna show a bunch of them. Yeah, okay, let's just say you're gonna buy a hard drive from Newegg right here. So let's say you get both of these right here. A Western Digital. No, let's just get a 2 terabyte hard drive right here. Because I'm not sure if that motherboard supports M.2. What is all this? Just write it out. CK Barracuda 222 terabytes. 2 terabytes. Boom. And it's a really good hard drive too. 7200. Actually, we could just copy this. Bam. Paste without formatting. Boom, right there. How much is that? $55. Plus $55. Boom. Let's see, we just need like a 120 gigabyte SSD. How much would that cost? Oh, boom, right there. Let's see how much. That's way too much. SSD. Okay, let's go to load a high. Okay, so we have the hard drive, the internal hard drive, and the SSD. We'll get the silicon power. I mean, if it's on Amazon, it must be good, right? Oh my god. Okay, and this is one from Newegg. Oof, these fonts are pissing me off. Okay, this one is $38. Boom, where's our calculator? Okay, so we have the $50 memory kit. Okay, then let's add, what's that? 50, 55, and 38. Boom. So $773. We have basically everything, right? We have the SSD, power supply, SSD. So we have SSD, so that's like boot up startup. This could be like storing your files that you have currently, gaming files, all that stuff. And you can upgrade this. The good thing is with this CPU and this GPU and this power supply, you're basically good for like 3 to 5 years. And then you can upgrade, swap things out real quick, you know, boom, and you're done. So all we need now is Windows Home. We're probably just gonna use Windows Home OEM, this one right here, because you don't want to use someone else's, because that's illegal. Okay, $106. Where's our little calculator? Boom, $879. Okay, for $879, let's see what you get. You get a quality case, a better CPU than the NZXT one, and maybe better than the AMD one from PC Part Picker. Okay, you better get a better GPU. You get a quality motherboard. All you just need is a network card, which is probably like $15. So $900, $894, $95 for a better CPU, better GPU, and parts you can upgrade, and a quality memory kit. Boom, $895. Okay, $895 bucks right here. $895. So, Prebuilt PC by NZXT will run you around $1,228. PC Part Picker, new parts with solid pieces. 9-inch $41 minus plus minus tax. And then the used one from Craigslist. Used parts from Craigslist, but also better parts. So they're better and they might last you longer in the long run if you want to play like higher end games. But these systems should last you a long time, no matter which one you order. But personally, I would go with a mix of parts from Newegg and Craigslist and OfferUp, but you can't go wrong with a quality PC for less than $900. You save like $130. You could probably buy some new peripherals, maybe a monitor, a new monitor. Yeah, so that's not bad. You can get some quality stuff if you just look around and want to make your own PC. The thing is, NZXT is, you're gonna have to install everything yourself here. But with NZXT, everything's already installed. All the drivers are probably installed, and you might not have to worry about, yeah, you might have to worry about problems with your parts, but these parts are good. So I'm gonna leave these parts in the description if anyone wants to go and buy this stuff right here and build themselves a PC, because that's a pretty good deal for a 1070 Ti. I got my 980 Ti for like 300 bucks too. They have the similar specs, but mine only has 6 gigabytes of whatever the memory of the GPU is. So yeah. Alright. So these are the final price points. Let's make this a little bit bigger. So 895. Boom, boom. 895. So with NZXT pre-built PC, you get basically these parts, which is not too good of a CPU. I mean, it's good, it'll last, but and the RAM's not that good either, and the power's not that good either, and you get barely any whatchamacallit. You get barely any hard drive space. But if you don't want to go in the hassle of building the PC and you just want to deliver it to your door, this may be a good option. But building your own PC is fun. You learn something new, and you can install the parts and maybe swap them out. You get quality parts for cheaper. It may not look as nice at first, but in the long run, it'll all pay off. And like, you get quality parts for a cheaper price. And then the Craigslist one, you also get quality parts like this CPU, the GTX 1070 Ti. It's good. So if you're looking to build a PC, just look around, decide if you want to build it yourself or have someone else build it for you. That's it. Alright, thank you for watching. I'm bored at home because of the coronavirus, so I decided to film this video. And subscribe to my channel. It's a bunch of random stuff. Right now it's my car, maybe some other reviews in the future because I'm at home. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.